Ever signed a document on DocuSign and realized you made a mistake? Don't worry, I'll show you how to edit it the right way. And before we start, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. If you've just signed but the document is still waiting on other signatures, DocuSign lets you make corrections. First, log into your DocuSign account and head to the Agreements section. From there, find the document you already signed but that hasn't been fully completed yet. Once you open it, look for the Correct option. This is the key feature that allows you to make edits. Click it and you'll see a familiar editor where you can fix typos, add missing info, or adjust details. Take your time, double check your changes, and then save everything. After saving, the document will continue through the signing process with your corrections applied. No need to start over. Just remember, this only works if all signatures haven't been completed yet. And that's it. You've successfully edited a DocuSign document after signing. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share so others don't get stuck too.